Happy New Year, pretty faces. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought of doing a look using some of my favorite products of 2017. So I'm going in with my Juvias Palace Masquerade palette just to give it a base, and to add to the base I'm going in with the Pierre Soireé Diaries palette also, just to build up my base. Then I'm going back to my Juvias Palace Masquerade palette. Oh my gosh, I thought of doing like a pink look, so with my crease I'm going in with the pink, with the darker pink, just to give it more defined look in my crease. I'm going in with the pink for my lid to give it just that nice extra pink pop. If you know me, you know I'm a lover for pink, but I don't usually wear pink on my eyes, so I was kind of experimenting here too. And I'm just going back with the same pink that I used on my crease, just to give it a more defined look. This eye pencil, I actually bought it on Wish. It was like $1, so it's a good eye pencil though. It goes a long way. Just lining my waterline, and then I'm going in with my Cartier eyeliner. Guys, I love this eyeliner. It's not messy at all and so easy to use. Ardelle lashes are on. You guys know how I love Ardelle. And then to start off my face, I'm putting Wet n Wild setting spray, and then I go in with my Bare Mineral primer. I've actually never used Bare Mineral products, so this was the first time of me using it. Then I go in with the Bare Mineral powder foundation. I was kind of surprised how it matched my skin, and also the coverage. It doesn't give full coverage, but I mean, like, it still covered the necessary parts that needed to be covered. And then I go in with the Bare Mineral face powder just to set my makeup. Then RealHer is my favorite cosmetic brand. I'm not kidding. So I'm going in with the blush. Look at those cheeks popping. And then going with the highlighter. I've come to love Becca cosmetic highlighter too. Look at that glow. Gosh. And then for my lips, I'm going to go in with the Pierre 12 color pro matte lip palette that I received, and of course we're doing pink lips. That's why it's called the PinkyLocs look. And voila, look at that. So what do you think? If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Bye.